Alright, so this is Kai to you roast rump dinner. So you got the pumpkin and potatoes and a bit of sauce with the roast meat. There's a Yorkshire pudding in there as well. Should be pretty good. Yeah, pumpkin's pretty good. Potatoes are somewhat crispy. Quite good. Beans are good. Yeah, it's courgette, I think, yeah. Not bad yet to get into the silver beet. Yeah. Very, very good Yorkshire pudding. I think it's like kind of a horseradish sauce with the beef. It's got a bit of gravy as well. Probably like a little bit more gravy. Otherwise, yep, really good. These meals go for $14. Always made fresh and delivered delivered fresh rather than not frozen. So, what would I rate it? All the veggies are well cooked and everything. It's a good amount of meat. Yorkshire pudding's just a bonus. If you have roast beef, whatever, you have Yorkshire pudding. Yeah, quite nice. Generally, it's a pretty healthy meal, I think. I'll give it 9 out of 10. And yeah, I'll upload this soon. And yeah, hope you like it. I'll try and do a written review tonight as well.